Hi, this is Infinitely Zero again. Nessa, welcome to my channel. And not sure if you liked the first video or not, but thanks for watching. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel. And a close friend of mine mentioned that she loves watching unboxing yarn videos, and I do too. I love watching Bag O' Days videos and Juan the Yarn Addict, just to mention a few, and a bunch of other awesome crochet and knit content creators that share their beautiful yarn with us. So I was able to find some really good deals. I usually do, especially the big sale that was going on from WeCrochet and Knit Picks. I ended up ordering with WeCrochet, and it was pre-Black Friday sale. And I also ended up ordering some Black Friday sales, as well as the Lion brand sale that they had going on with their clearance yarns, and that actually arrived. I'm still waiting on the Lion brand Black Friday sale, which was recent, which I purchased this week. And I have another WeCrochet order from November 1st, which I'm currently waiting on. So hopefully that should come soon. So